is Kerry Coleman. I'm the bartender here at China Grill inside Mandalay Bay on the famous Las Vegas Strip. Today we're going to learn how to make a Skinny Raspberry Margarita. We're going to build that in a pint glass. Got some fresh raspberries right here. And we're going to muddle those. We're going to add a packet of Splenda. Then we're going to fill this pint glass with ice. Got some nice silver tequila, an ounce and a half. Then for the locale, I already have some fresh squeezed lime juice here. We're going to top that off. A little quarter triple sec. And we're going to just get a little mix on that. All of our little raspberries kind of sunk to the bottom. Garnish that with a lime. And there you have it. A Skinny Raspberry Margarita. Again, my name is Kerry Coleman. Stop by China Grill. I'll be happy to make this cocktail for you.